This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test. This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test. This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency management public warning system. This is only a test. Attention! The following is a regular monthly test of the outdoor warning system. This is not an emergency. This is only a test. This has been a test of the emergency warning system. This was only a test. All clear. The emergency is over. All clear. The emergency is over. All clear. The emergency is over. Chemical release. Stay inside buildings and close windows and doors unless advised by authorities to evacuate area. Chemical release. Stay inside buildings and close windows and doors unless advised by authorities to evacuate area. Chemical release. An emergency evacuation of this area is required. Follow evacuation route instructions. Listen to radio and TV for details. Attention! A flash flood warning is in effect for your area. Avoid low areas. Be alert for rising waters. Attention, all residents. Stand by for an emergency announcement. Stop all traffic and stand by for an emergency announcement. Attention, an emergency condition exists. Stand by for instructions. An emergency condition exists. Stand by for instructions. Attention! A hazardous material release has occurred in your area. Go inside. Close all windows and doors. Cut off all ventilation systems, air conditioners, and heating units. Be alert for further information and instructions. Hurricane warning. A hurricane warning has been issued for this area. Hurricane warning. Attention. Stand by for a list of shelter and first aid stations. All residents listen for a shelter location in your area. Proceed with caution. Watch for downed power lines. Severe thunderstorm warning. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for this area. A severe thunderstorm warning. Severe weather warning. Seek shelter immediately. Severe weather warning. Seek shelter immediately. Severe weather warning. Seek shelter immediately. Attention! A tornado warning has been issued. Seek shelter now. Do not delay. Seek shelter now. Winter weather warning. Winter weather warning. Take emergency precautions immediately. Take emergency precautions immediately.
Alert tone. Audible test tone. Best possible protection tone. Gas-proof protection. Indoor protection tone.
Attention! Attention! This concludes the all-tone test of the warning system for this area. If an actual emergency emerges, we would sound a 3-minute will-tone warning residents to seek local news coverage. This was only a test.